Hello everybody, it's Aiden from Aiden's Outdoors. Today we're on the lake, a lake, fishing for crappie. We've only caught one right now, but I'll show you guys. He's in there somewhere, swimming around. Trying to see where he is. Well, he's in there. We're out here crappie fishing, trying to catch something. It's pretty warm out, but it's a perfect day for fishing. Yeah, we just caught one already. Not already, but he's a pretty good one. 2. That means they're here, right? Now we're just gonna try here and see if we catch any more. He was pretty big. Okay. This is what we're using. I can't, it's kind of hard to hold the pole. It's a white eye with some yellow or gold and with some we're in a new spot. We've already caught like, let me think, 6. It's not a whole lot, but they're spawning, so it's not like we're gonna get a lot. I'll show you guys all of them. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 in there, and then the one back here. She's probably right there. So that's 5. We got 5 all together, and they're pretty big. This is not gonna be one of my longest videos, but we're gonna try to catch one right here. They're hung up. Should I keep it still or move it? Just twitch it. What are those random posts there for? There's another carp that jumped up over there. Yeah, it smells like fish. I think they should be getting one anytime soon now. try out the back end over here. See if we can get anything back here. If you're wondering where my line is, it's right there where that green knot is. Or you guys can kind of see it. Just gonna toss right over here again. If you're wondering what we're using right now, I changed it a little bit ago. But we're using this little thing here. It's pretty nice, I like it. That's what we're using right now. So far for my dad it's doing pretty good, but for me not really. Don't get why. But I guess it just happens like that sometimes. Out of my hands. Huh? Yeah, all about the technique, you're right. Hopefully I can just catch one instead of dead catching everything. I might cast out in the open water, maybe we scared him out here. It's a possibility. If you guys want to see more crappie, oh, there we go. Dad 5, or Dad's 6 now. That's a pretty good one. Dad's 6, Aiden 0. No. Like I was saying, if you guys want to see more content like crappie fishing. Really?
Male black.
Are they all white and black? Or are they all white or are they all black?
A couple whites and red black.
If you want to see more crappie fishing videos on the lake, or just because at my grandma and grandpa's pond we have crappie in there. That one video we did. We can go crappie fishing in there. Try to get some ones. I know there's pretty big ones in there. Oh, there's an eagle. No, but I saw the reflection in the water. That was pretty cool. It flew off that way, but hopefully that's a good sign. Perfect. Yeah. Finicky, you keep catching them all.
Yeah, but they're not biting it real good.
I might try a new color. I have one in mind that I think I just want to try, because if you don't try, then you're not doing anything. It's your guys' favorite time of the day. Tackle box time. You can't have a fishing video without tackle box time. At least in my videos, you can't. I got this all sorted out, nice and neat. We got blues, we got reds and yellows, got our browns, got our light colors, got our pink, got some already rigged up all down through here. But I think I have a color in mind. Just gonna sit you guys right there. Hopefully that'll be good. Just beautiful out right now. I was definitely not cold a minute ago. But we're gonna put on this one. It's some brown with some green, but there we go. That'll probably do good. Won't be super standoutish, but we'll give enough attention to it. But yeah, in the last short, I did lose my pole. On an unrelated note, well, first I lost the line, or the jig that I had on it. And then the next day, actually, not the next day. Yeah, the next day, I lost the line. So, or not the line, I lost the pole. It's gone now. It's in that water. But I'm like 50 miles away from here. So, I guess that happens sometimes. I would say every fisherman is going to or has lost their pole in their lifetime. And there's another one. Why? You put it in the back or this one?
I'll put it in that one.
How come? Now we've caught really enough for everybody. Now we can just keep catching if we wanted to. Okay, they are like way up in the bushes.
Yeah.
So we're not gonna be out here.
No. Look, straight up and down. That's how they want it.
Just straight up and down.
Yeah, just drop it right there and hold it.
Okay, that should be good.
That's how they want it. No, don't throw over a tree.
Yep. We'll get back to you. Guess I'll just set you guys right here for the time being. Actually, hold on. I'm just going to try to get you guys in good position. Yeah. It might be sideways. Oh, wait, just a second. Okay, guys, so we didn't catch, I didn't catch anything. My dad just caught another one a minute ago. But I think we'll meet you when we're loading up. So I'll see you guys in about, because it'll cut, but it's time's different when you guys are watching it. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hold on, let me figure this out. Come on. I think you guys just have to be like that. Hold on, maybe like that. There, that looks pretty good. Actually, hold on. I have a better idea. About like that. Looks good. drop your phone. You'll be fine. It's not. Wait a second. Oh, it's a tackle box. It's a phone stand. There, that looks good. And the phone will get water on it because I'm using the tackle box as a phone stand. So one, it won't fall in the water, and two, it won't get wet. And three, my lure's stuck on this line. Ouch. Yeah, I know. It's like super strong. There we go. I'm just gonna sit here. And I'll just cast in to the water. Actually, stand there. Whoa. That is like very fishy. It smells like filleting fish. Actually, I think I'm gonna try something else. I might even not try this one or this hook anymore. I'm gonna try Grandpa's homemade lures with the fuzzy tail, the beard in the back. Again, tackle box time again. What? That's my trademark. Tackle. Huh? Well, they're not accepting the bait. If you're not trying. Yeah, but guess what? It's not working because they're not coming after it. If you're not trying, you're not trying. That made no sense. If you're not switching your lure, you're not trying. What about that pink and neon green? I was just wondering because I didn't know. Let's see. How about this?
Yeah, try that.
The shaft took off the hook. Yeah, let's just get on this. It's one of my favorite ones that I call a frog. It's not a frog. In fact, it's classified as a minnow. I looked it up. It's called a minnow. It's called a minnow shad. I don't get why it's called that. It looks like a frog. think I'll catch some off this. How much is the limit? How much is the limit? Well, we're not even close to 10 yet. We're not even close to 10, so I can catch something. And 2 people. Fine. But does it count for me? Okay. That's taken care of. What color you need?
Same color I've been.
Okay. I have one eye. Yeah, that's me. At least I think it is. Will this video be considered a catch and cook? Will this video be considered a catch and cook? Because we're going to be filleting them. But I'm probably not going to show it on video because I'll probably get demonetized. Do what? Oh. Man, that is terrible. Is that, you sure that's not in the boat? I mean, that is like strong. It's like straight fish oil. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, when they spawn, they really stink. Anybody who knows what fishing is, they know that when they spawn, they stink. What is that? You hear that bird? Do what? Oh. I can catch one. All you need is one fish. This video's complete. I'm just not taking any of mine. Nope, something stirred up right there. Hmm? Whoa. Did we catch them all? Did we catch them all?
Yeah, they might have split them. They're moving. They moved over here, caught one, moved back, caught one. So,
They're just moving back and forth. Go over there and try that big log over there. I mean, like, make our way.
You caught all the fish. So, yeah, I missed that.
Do you think all the stripers won't come back since we like did them? Or like, we're not gonna eat more? Let's see. Just need one fish. Just one. Fine with all kinds of fish. I just need one. Short disclaimer: we just found something. We just caught some giant. Not really, but he's pretty big. Come on. Yeah, bass. He's pretty good. Yeah, we're not done yet. But we'll see you guys in a second. Okay, guys, we just got home. We're not home, but yeah. We're getting the fish out. You can look at him. You can look at him. Yeah, you can tell. Here, I'll show you guys. This is the lot. Hopefully this doesn't make you feel bad, but that's the big ones. Oh! And the tiny ones. Don't worry, they're okay. They're not gonna die yet. But guys, thanks for watching. I know it wasn't a long one. At least I don't know yet until I edit. But thank you guys. Sorry I didn't catch anything. I suck at crappie fishing. But maybe Monday we might do a bass fishing video. So stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, love, grace, mercy. Pray every day and ask for forgiveness. And I'll see you guys later.